In this video, I will show you the top 5 budget-friendly wireless portable Bluetooth boombox. Number 1. Pile Wireless Portable Bluetooth Boombox Speaker. This boombox wireless Bluetooth speaker tube is compatible with Bluetooth for wireless audio streaming and works with devices like iPhone, Android mobile phone, iPad, tablet, PC. Ideal for indoor and outdoor use. This boombox Bluetooth speaker is great for karaoke, stage performances, and crowd control. It is equipped with a built-in 7.4 volts lithium-ion rechargeable battery with 4 to 6 hours charge time, and carry handle so you can take it anywhere you go. Number 2. Sony SRS-XB43 Extra Bass Wireless Portable Speaker. Boost your music with 2 speaker lights and multicolored line lights and turn the lights on or off via the Fiestable app. I personally like this speaker a lot. The speakerphone function offers a convenient way to talk hands-free, whether it's a conference call for work or a chat with friends. Efficiently charge with USB Type-C, and use the XB43 to charge your smartphone or other small devices via the USB connection. You can control the party with the Sony Music Center app. If you like this speaker, you can see the speaker from the link provided in the description. You can listen music all day and night with up to 24 hours of battery life. It's IP67 waterproof, rust-proof, and dust-proof. Number 3. W-King D8 50 watts powerful Bluetooth speaker. You will get a 50 watts output power, and the latest state-of-the-art 4 drivers, 2 passive subwoofers, and 2 tweeters. Double passive bass radiators are located on the right and left side of the loud Bluetooth speaker, producing punchy bass and true HD sound. With a loud Bluetooth speaker, you will feel best atmosphere for New Year party, indoor and outdoor activities, job site, gym and various parties. Number 4. 10 Mia RSA66 30 watts loud outdoor speakers with subwoofer, FM radio, RGB colorful lights, EQ, stereo sound, 10H playtime boombox wireless speaker for home, party, camping, travel, and many more. This powerful Bluetooth speaker is designed with 30 watts 3 speakers, configuration with powerful loud stereo sound, passive subwoofer, and unique loudspeaker cavity structure to deliver premium acoustic sound. Super bass booms with less than 1% total harmonic distortion. At party, outdoor and indoor, pool, beach, camping, it will bring you an unprecedented listening experience. Number 5. JBL Boombox 2 Portable Bluetooth Speaker. The iconic grip handle makes it easy to transport the JBL Boombox 2 portable speaker. You will get the loudest, most massive JBL original Pro sound from this speaker. The fun doesn't have to stop. Packed with an incredible 24 hours of battery life, JBL Boombox 2 lets you party all day and into the night. Bring your speakers anywhere. Pool party perfect. Sudden rainstorm covered. Bash on the beach. JBL Boombox 2 is IPX7 waterproof for fearless outdoor entertainment. You can see the specifications of all the products by clicking on the link given in the description below. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your like, comment and subscribe inspires us.